Tired of your TV's tinny speakers? Wishing every explosion had more oomph and every whispered dialogue was crystal clear? Well, get ready to transform your home entertainment, because today we're diving into the Philips B5306 2.1 channel soundbar with its wireless subwoofer. This isn't just an audio upgrade. It's a complete sensory overhaul for your living room. First up, let's talk about the sound itself, because that's why you're here, right? The Philips B5306 delivers a powerful 140 watts, pushing rich, dynamic audio through its 2.1 channels. What does that mean for you? It means everything from the most intense action sequences to a quiet, dramatic score will sound louder, clearer, and undeniably deeper. The separate wireless subwoofer is a game changer. You don't just hear the bass, you feel it. Imagine watching your favorite blockbuster, and the rumbling lows of an explosion genuinely shake the room, or your music comes alive with a powerful, resonant kick drum. Dialogue, often lost in the mix, becomes crisp and perfectly intelligible. It's an immersive experience that pulls you right into the heart of the action, making every movie night feel like a trip to the cinema. Now, if you're a Roku TV user, prepare for pure bliss. The Philips B5306 is Roku TV Ready, which is more than just a marketing phrase. It means setup is incredibly smooth. Plug it in, and your Roku TV instantly recognizes it. You'll get easy access to sound settings directly through your TV's interface. And here's the kicker. You can control the soundbar's volume with your existing Roku remote. No more juggling multiple remotes just to watch a show. This seamless integration extends further, thanks to HDMI ARC connectivity, letting your TV and soundbar communicate effortlessly. It's about simplifying your entertainment, reducing clutter, and getting straight to enjoying your content without any frustrating tech hurdles. Isn't that what we all want? But this soundbar isn't just for your TV. Its versatility is genuinely impressive. Want to fill your home with music from your smartphone or tablet? Just pair it via Bluetooth for bigger, bolder sound that your mobile device alone could never achieve. For those with older devices or a wired music source, there's a convenient audio import. And here's a neat trick. You can even play files directly from a USB drive. This transforms the B5306 into a central audio hub for your entire home, ready for any occasion, whether it's a movie marathon, a gaming session, or just setting the mood with your favorite playlist. And it won't just sound good, it'll look good too. Philips designed this soundbar to seamlessly integrate into your home. Its compact, sleek black design is perfect for smaller spaces, easily fitting on a TV stand, a shelf, or even mounted on the wall. And yes, the wall brackets are integrated for super easy installation. It's discreet, stylish, and won't overpower your decor. So if you're ready to stop just watching and start experiencing your entertainment, the Philips B5306 2.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer is an absolute must-have. It's an affordable upgrade that delivers premium sound, incredible convenience, and sleek design. Don't settle for mediocre audio any longer. Elevate your everyday. If you're ready to transform your sound, find the link to the Philips B5306 in the description below, along with our full written review.